Welcome back, you lovely home cooks. This recipe is ridiculously easy to make and ludicrously tasty. My recipe for Indonesian fried rice is packed full of flavour from shrimp and sweetened soy sauce. It knocks the socks off the traditional Chinese fried variety and is a great way of using up yesterday's leftover rice. I've used chicken here, but you can leave it out or substitute another protein. So I'll shut up and we'll get on with it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy in the section below so you can copy. Heat the oil and when hot, add the chilli and garlic, just for a few seconds, before adding the red onion and continue to fry just for a minute or so to soften the onions and flavour the oil. Now pop the mixture to one side and add the sliced chicken. Fry this on both sides until it's cooked. Time for the key ingredient, kecap manis, the sweetened soy sauce, just 1 tablespoon for now, and fry, making sure it's incorporated into the chicken and the veggies. Add the leftover cooked rice and stir through. Then you can add the remainder of the kecap manis and the shrimp paste or shrimp chili paste if you want that extra kick. Stir through until the flavours are fully combined and the rice is hot. It'll only take a minute or two. Now serve. With your choice of garnishes, sliced scallions or spring onions, tomatoes and cucumber, or a lime is traditional, then top with an egg if you fancy a little bit more protein. Here you go, another budget recipe, so do give this a like if you enjoyed it, or think about subscribing for hundreds of other recipes on the channel. So until next time, bye!